media. I finally had something to myself, and I was proud of my hard work. 3 years went by, and I ended up opening another shop at a busy location that I was fortunate enough to get. I also started selling used cars and ended up being profitable with that as well. I was doing well for myself, and I would call myself very successful for my age. Recently I got a call from my other location that someone was looking for me, and it was my parents and my sister. I hadn't heard of these people in years, and all three of them just showed up to my shop unexpectedly. I drove 15 minutes until I arrived at my other shop and saw them waiting inside the lobby. They saw me, and my parents both hugged me and told me that they hadn't seen me in a while. My sister also hugged me as well and told me that she missed me. For a second, I thought that these people changed, and they would try to make amends with me, but I was